can be hard to find a profitable niche for affiliate marketing. Several different niches can be profitable, but it's essential to find a niche that you are passionate about and that has a large audience. Once you've found a niche, it is essential to research the affiliate program available in that niche. In this video, I'll be going over 7 best profitable niches for affiliate marketing. Hi there, I'm Yogesh and I own a website and a YouTube channel that's all about affiliate marketing, utilizeyourbusiness.com. I started as complete beginners myself, so I know just how daunting it can be to get started in this industry. But with the help of my blogs and video, I'll teach you everything you need to know to become successful as a beginner affiliate marketer. So if you're interested in learning more, then make sure to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell for notification of all new videos that we come out, and our video starts now. Welcome back. So, what are the best profitable niches for affiliate marketing? The answer is not always as easy to find, but there are a number of different things that you should keep in mind when looking for niches for affiliate marketing. For example, some niches have large audience than the other, therefore they produce more sales. Another thing to take in consideration is your own interest and preferences, because this will help you create a content that is more engaging and likely to convert readers into paying customers. Isn't that what we all wanted? So, what you should look for in a good niche? What are the main characteristics of a good niche? When looking for a profitable niche for affiliate marketing, there are a few characteristics to keep in mind. First, the niche should be something that you are passionate about and know a lot about. This will help you create a content that is both informative and engaging. Second, the niche should have a large audience. There is no point of targeting a niche with only a handful of potential customers, because remember, it's not only you, there are a lot of other people who are also going for the same niche. Finally, the affiliate program in the niches should be generous and offer a good commission so that it's worthwhile for your efforts, especially if you're putting money into the ads for the promotion. With these factors in mind, you should be able to find a niche that is most profitable and enjoyable to work in. So now I'm going to go over the 7 of the most profitable niche for affiliate marketing. So watch this video till the end so that you can pick a niche that is more interesting to you and you can start making money from that niche. So the first niche we're talking about is weight loss. The weight loss niche is one of the most profitable niche for affiliate marketing. This is because there are a large number of people who are interested in losing weight and improving their health. In addition, there are a number of different products and services that can be promoted in this niche, including diet pills, weight loss programs, and fitness equipment. Also, there are a number of different ways to promote these products and services, including online ads. You can also do email marketing, social media marketing, promoting on Facebook. Some sub-niche in the weight loss niche that you should be targeting about is weight loss for women, weight loss for men, weight loss for seniors, weight loss for teens, weight loss for kids. So you get an idea. Once you pick a niche, go down to a sub niche, which is better for you, especially if you're starters in affiliate marketing. The second niche I'm going to talk about is fitness. Fitness is one of the most popular and profitable niche for affiliate marketing. The reason for this is that people become more health conscious and active. They're looking to improve their fitness as a major part of their lives. Fitness can be improved by working on physical health or emotional well-being. Both have an effect on your mental fitness. This is why fitness is a great niche for affiliate marketing. And like always, there are a number of different ways to improve fitness, and people are always looking for new information and advice on how to do so. Additionally, there is a large audience for fitness-related content, and people are willing to pay for the products and services that can help them improve their fitness. Therefore, if you are interested in fitness and willing to put in the work to create high-quality content, then fitness niche is a great option for you as an affiliate marketer. Some of the most popular sub-niches in the fitness niche that you should be targeting about is general fitness, running and jogging, weightlifting and bodylifting, yoga, cardiovascular exercise. So those are a few too where you can target it And like I said, I keep on repeating is you should always target a sub niche. So pick a niche and always target a sub niche, because it's much easier for you as a beginner affiliate marketer to target a sub niche and more likely of you being successful rather than targeting a niche where everybody is going for it. Let's move to the third niche, which is parenting. Parenting niche is one of the most profitable niche for affiliate marketing. This is because there are many different products and services that can be sold to parents, such as diapers, baby food, toys, clothing. And not to mention, the best part of the niche is that it appeals to a large audience with diverse needs. There is also plenty of ways you can earn money in this niche, such as through product review, blog posts, and affiliate links. You can send out your affiliate links to different people. If you are passionate about helping parents, then this is the perfect niche for you. Now, there are a number of different ways to make money in the parenting niche. One of the most profitable methods is product reviews. I also do product reviews for affiliate marketing, some of the products that will help you with your affiliate marketing. In this type of affiliate marketing, you promote a product that you have used and like. You can then write a review of the product on your blog post or website. Don't forget to visit my blog website, utilizeyourbusiness.com. This is a great way to introduce to your audience some of the products that you are promoting. Some of the most popular sub niches in the parenting niches include baby products, toddler product, parenting advice, pregnancy, and childbirth, to mention few. Moving along, the next one that niche we're going to talk about is home improvement. The home improvement niche is one of the most profitable niche for affiliate marketing. As you know, most of us do have home and do some sort of repairs in their homes. This is because there are plenty number of different home improvement products and services that people can purchase, and they are always looking to ways to improve their homes. In addition, there are many different home improvement website blogs that people can visit for information and inspiration to do their own home improvement on their home. And finally, what else? There are a number of home improvement affiliate programs available, which makes it easier for people to find products and services to promote. The key to succeeding in the home improvement niche is to find the right product and services to promote. There are a number of different home improvement affiliate programs available, so it is important to do your research and find the ones that are best fit for your blogs and websites. Once you have found the right products and services, it is important to create quality content that will help you readers make an informed decision about their home improvement projects. By providing valuable information and recommending the right products and services, you can help your readers improve their homes and make a profit from affiliate marketing. Now, let's just talk about some of the popular sub-niches in the home improvement niche. That includes kitchen, bathroom, windows and doors, flooring, roofing, landscaping. So those are the few to mention that you should look for when you're targeting the sub niches in the home improvement niche. So let's keep going, and the next profitable niche for affiliate marketing is automotive. Automotive is one of the most profitable niche for affiliate marketing. Automobiles and related part are a big purchase, which means that people will be more likely to make purchase from an online retail due to convenience. Especially now, the online is booming. Furthermore, because automobiles are a big purchase, consumers will want to take their time before making a decision on what they want. This means they'll be doing a lot of research on online, which provides opportunity for affiliate marketers to present their products as a solution to customers' need. In addition, automotive niche is quite broad, which gives affiliate marketer a lot of room to maneuver and pick some sub-niches. There are many different sub-niches within the automotive, such as parts, repair, accessory. This means there is a type of products for almost every type of customer needs. Finally, automotive niche is growing rapidly with the rise of electric cars and self-drive vehicles. There's a lot of opportunities for affiliate marketers to get in on ground floor opportunities of this rapid growing industry. So if you're looking for a profitable niche that you can be passionate about, and automotive is a great choice, specifically if you have interest in cars. There are many different products to promote, audience is large, growing rapidly, and there are many affiliate opportunities for affiliate marketer to succeed. Now let's talk about some of the most popular sub niches in automotive niches, which is parts, repairs, accessories. Those are few of the most popular ones, but there are quite others too. So you can do research for that if you are interested in automotive. Moving on, the next one is travel. Yes, the travel industry is one of the most profitable and growing industry in the world. Specifically now, after what we have been through 2 years, and at the time of this video, travel is opening up. There are many different ways to make money in travel industry, including becoming a travel agent, working for a hotel or airline, or starting your own travel business. However, one of the most profitable ways to make money in travel industry is affiliate marketing. In addition, there are a large audience of people who are interested in travel-related products and services. Therefore, travel industry is a great niche for affiliate marketing, especially if you are beginners. There are a number of different sub-niches that can be profitable for affiliate marketing in travel industry. Some of the most popular and profitable sub-niches include airline ticket, hotel reservation, car renters. In addition, there are many other sub-niches that can be profitable, such as travel accessories, tour packages, travel insurance. So you get a basic idea of, there are a lot of sub niches in the travel industry that you can pick one that interests you and start making affiliate incomes. All right, this brings us to the last one, but this is the most profitable one. It's technology. Technology has been around for a while, but there are many different types of devices that can be used to help you make money as an affiliate marketer. You could focus on laptops, cell phone, tablets, or any other type of device that people use. And now these days, everybody is using some sort of devices. Perhaps the most popular way to make money with technology is to become an affiliate for a company that sells gadgets. This could include a company that sells phones, tablets, laptops, or any other type of device. If you can find a company with a good reputation that offers a good commission, you could potentially make a lot of money by promoting their products. Another great thing about technology is that it's always changing and evolving. That means there's always a new product or a service to promote, keep you from becoming bored with your niches, specifically the technology niche that we're talking about. There are endless possibilities for making money with technology as an affiliate marketer. If you are passionate about this topic, you could potentially make a lot of money by promoting the latest and the greatest products in the technology niche. Affiliate marketing is a great way to make money online. The key is to find the right niche that you're passionate about and has a potential audience with a lot of potential customers. Once you find your perfect niche, it's crucial to research affiliate programs so you can discover which one works best for your needs and goals. There are many different niches that can be profitable for affiliate marketing, so it's essential to find the right one for you. With the right niche and the right program, you can make a lot of money with affiliate marketing. Thanks for watching this video till the end. Those of you who are still watching this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and hit the bell for notification. So let's summarize what I talked about in the last couple of months. First of all, find a profitable niche for affiliate marketing. Choose a niche that you are passionate about. Research the best affiliate programs for your chosen niche and profit from a wide range of affiliate programs. I hope you'll join me for my next video. In it, I'll be discussing some of the most popular and profitable niches in affiliate marketing. I'll also be giving some tips on finding a niche that you're passionate about and that has a large audience, how to find niche. So make sure to subscribe to my channel so that you can stay up to date on all of my latest videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Bye.